Go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. And I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do the washing style, how I do the washing style. I'm gonna be using a variety of brushes. I'm gonna be alternating between detangling shower brush, my hard brush, and my medium brush. All right, y'all, so now that y'all know what I'm gonna do, let's just jump right into the video.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
that's it for the washing style. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rinse my hair out. You can rinse it out with cold water, or you can rinse it out with warm water. Warm water is just gonna open up your pores. Cold water is gonna close your pores. I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water because I'm not moisturizing my hair until like 4 or 5 hours later. So I recommend that you rinse it out with cold water, or just take a whole shower so that you wash your the shampoo wash your hair thoroughly. So I'm just gonna end it right here because I'm gonna make a part 2 of this tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys the results. So yeah, see you guys in part 2. Peace.